Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Greeley. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Welcome to the pet-friendly Rodeway Inn Greeley, Colorado, offering easy access to Greeley, the University of Northern Colorado, and attractions like Highland Hills Golf Course and Greeley Ice House. Relax in the seasonal outdoor pool, wash clothes in guest laundry facilities, and enjoy amenities like free wireless high-speed internet access, free parking on premises, and free coffee. All guest rooms offer a 42-inch television and desk. Some rooms feature a microwave and refrigerator. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.